let me ask you guys something. Do you believe in ghosts, ghouls, and monsters? Because today we are boarding a cruise ship, and not just any type of cruise ship, Howling on the High Seas on the Disney Fantasy. And so for the next 7 days, I'll be cruising with Disney on a Howling of the High Seas to see how haunted this ship really is. And you're gonna come with me, or else. There he is, the man, the myth, the Mickey. Check out the pumpkin-themed portholes, guys. Super adorbs. If you're a big fan of Disney, you're gonna love what's next, guys. I'm in complete shock right now. Complete shock. I can't believe that just happened. Guys, my blood is pumping right now. I can't believe that just happened. Freaking out just a little bit. I'm super excited. It's the first time. We've been on so many Disney cruises at this point, every single ship. This is the last one, and we finally booked Palo Brunch. I'm excited to tell Alyssa. She's super pumped. We've tried getting it for my birthday. We've tried doing it around Christmas. We tried during the summer. We tried on a wish, but finally, Palo Brunch. Griff and Alyssa. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Can't wait to tell Alyssa the news. Here we go. What's up, guys? I love running into you guys. So guess what? I went all the way to deck 12, and you called it. No one was there. Yep, went up there, waited, no one showed up, and I just got a little bit of B-roll up there. That's what took so long. And so then I came back down, and I asked the animator's palette up front, and then they sent me to Enchanted Garden, so I had to go downstairs, go to Enchanted Garden, sat down, and they booked us a reservation for Palo Brunch Monday at noon.
Hey, really?
Yes.
I'm glad you got it. Thanks, honey.
We finally got
Thanks for going on that adventure. I'm sorry you had to go all the way up there, but I knew that it wasn't upstairs.
We're doing it though.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. All right, team, we got a little beef empanada here with some chimichurri sauce, which is interesting because it doesn't look like traditional chimichurri sauce. A little green sauce.
Red chimichurri.
Oh, it's red chimichurri. There you go, guys. I probably should have read the menu. And this smoked salmon, which is always amazing, but it's this mustard that they give you. It's so good. How's your beef empanada?
Very good.
Perfect. Don't sleep on the meat pie, guys. It's good. That's delicious. It's nice and tasty and crispy and flaky. All right, so we're already starting off the trip with a bang. Got some salmon, and it's very good, very delicious. But I made a switch and we put the salmon on a seasoned salad. Super good.
Hi. We made it to our stateroom. We are 9158. Obviously on deck 9. And our key to the world cards are here. And we're gold. So excited. You ready?
Let's do it.
Ooh.
Oh, this is baller. This is nice, yo.
This is nice. Guys, we've never stayed in an ocean view cabin with only one porthole here on Disney Cruise Line. And so I'm really liking it.
Yeah, I like this.
It's still very spacious. You can sit in the window. Look how cool this is.
Look at that, guys. That's pretty sweet. You guys should subscribe to the channel if you like Disney. Do it. All right, Paradise Crew. It's time to do an obligatory bed soft jumping test. I need to see how soft this bed is. Oh, this feels so good. So soft. It feels like I'm butter melting on a stack of Mickey waffles. Alyssa, come lay on this.
Yeah.
Oh, Disney. I love you. All right, guys, so here's the deal. If you want to see a room tour, we're going to do a room tour. But if you don't, skip ahead to this marker right here. Would you like to give them a room tour?
Sure.
All right, guys, this is the bed. This is where Alyssa's going to be sleeping. Now, there's enough space underneath the bed for I can have a good slumber as well. But if you don't like sleeping under the bed like I do, you can always put your luggage underneath. A bed does come from the top. We have showed this bed come from the top, and this come out before in other past. Go check out the Disney Wish video at the end of this vlog. What?
Also, there's a bed that pulls down right in front of the window.
Yeah.
Because we're in a deluxe family ocean view.
Deluxe family view. Ocean view.
Deluxe family ocean view.
That's right, guys. Deluxe family ocean view. So if you want to see what this looks like all pulled down, go check out our Disney Wish video at the end of this vlog, and you can get an idea of what it's like.
Well, while we're here, you asked me to give you a tour, so I'm going to do it.
Let's do it.
While we're here, look at all of this space. Look at this desk space, guys. You can have like 3 people working.
Oh, yeah.
On vacation because there's so much space. But in here we got a little cooler, and I say a cooler because they're not considered mini fridges. Fun fact, they don't get as cold as a fridge. Over here it looks like another one, but it's not. It's shelves. So you got some shelves over here. You got plenty of drawers in here, and then you got a hairdryer.
There you go.
Which does not have a diffuser. In case you wanted to know, the one on the Dream did have a diffuser. All right, all of these plug ports, more storage, closets. There's a ladder for when you pull down the bed, and a safe. But last but not least, my favorite part, the dual bathroom.
Ooh, this is kind of snug. Now, I will say, it's like a complete circle.
I have not seen that yet.
So my big butt not getting in there, but you're a little behind, kid.
Well, my little behind's getting a little bigger because of you know what. But I've never seen this before.
That's pretty cool.
This is a very cool little tub.
It's like a little toddler shower, little, for your little ones and stuff. So that's pretty neat.
Huh. I honestly have not seen it yet.
She's so shocked. Giving a tour. Huh.
I was expecting it to be a normal bathtub. And then your toilet. With, most important, the liquid soap.
There we go.
Thank you.
So there's your magical toilet, so you can take a magical poop. What are you doing?
Decorating our door.
Oh, nice. So guys, if you didn't know, you can put magnets on your door. And we got some Black Panther magnets. Hey babe, how much was this room?
This room was approximately $2,500.
All right.
Now, we did get a Florida resident rate because Disney was doing some discounts, which is always nice when that actually happens. So this sailing typically would go for like at least like $32,000 to like $5,000 for like sometimes even an interior.
Wow.
So we lucked out on the Florida resident rate because
that's expensive. But yeah, Ocean Deluxe Family Stateroom with a porthole view. Now is a good time to shout out our amazing travel agent, Rose at Weiler Travel Group. For one, surprising Alyssa with a Disney cruise, helping us plan that. But two, guys, we're having a baby. We're having a baby. So we may not be able to cruise for a little bit. So do us a favor, book through our friend Rose. Shoot her an email, say, hey, will you help me plan a Disney cruise or Royal Caribbean or whatever floats your boat. See what I did there? Yes, I know it's a ship. For the haters in the comment section. But give her a shout. She'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Let's continue on with the Halloween on the High Seas. And just like that, Alyssa has completely decorated our door full of stuff. Snack goals, Paradise Crew check, and everything else looks good. Paradise Crew. Subscribe to Griff and Alyssa if you haven't already.
if I would have remembered, I would have done something a little Halloween-y and or about the baby, but I completely forgot and I ran out of time. So this is what we got, the same old magnets, but it's okay, it's cute, it's ours.
Looks good.
Great.
Let's do a sail away party.
That sounds fun.
All right, guys, looks like the sail away party is about to start. People are slowly starting to gather on deck. All right, guys, we're about to sail away on a Disney Fantasy Halloween on the high seas. So far, it's pretty scary. All right, babe, we're sailing away. That party was really fun. That sail away party, really cool, really unique. You guys got to try it out. But we are leaving, sailing away. Let me dim that for you a little bit. On this haunted sailing to which is the Disney Fantasy Halloween on the high seas. Let's see if I can scare her. Boo! Did I get you? No? Didn't think so. Man, people are loving this aqueduct. We got to get on it a little bit later. Are you ready? Now this hallway looks pretty spooky. Would you say, Alyssa?
I would say. I would say it's spooky.
It is spooky. Right now we are headed to the main atrium. Is that what they call it?
Sure.
Because we are going to see the lighting of the Halloween tree. I guess that's what it's called.
I don't know what it's called. It's called the pumpkin tree.
The pumpkin tree. We're going to light up the pumpkin tree, and then the Halloween festivities shall begin. I have no idea what to expect. Definitely sounds spooky.
Of the pumpkin tree, the largest we've ever seen. Wake up and talk to us. It's time for Halloween. Wake up, everyone, say it with me now. Wake up, wake up, wake up. You did it.
Oh, that's
Greetings, my fresh faces
kinda spooky.
and innocent eyes. You are all here for fun and surprise. That is what is needed to summon Halloween.
Everybody scream!
I sense your foreboding, your sense of dread. Give me a laugh to rattle the dead. Of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. Here tonight, for all to hear, the truest sound of ghoulish cheer. Zombies, monsters on the prowl. Bring the power of nightmares unseen. Bring them to life. It's Halloween!
So that was terrifying. People started screaming, but then it got pretty cool, and I was really impressed. I liked how it all came together, so good job, Disney.
Yeah, that was sweet. Like, they had like the little things come down, little confetti, so that was awesome. And then the jack-o'-lanterns came on to the pumpkin tree, which is super cool too. Yeah, I like this so far. That was really cool, guys. So it was like a really interactive show. Passengers started screaming when the pumpkin tree said scream, said laugh. People started laughing. They pretended to be terrified. It was really cool, really interactive. I enjoyed it. Pretend.
I was terrified. I was terrified.
How's the little baby?
She was terrified too.
She's a little young, so she's like,
Like, Mom, this is scary.
all right, so we're about to head to dinner, grab some food, and yeah, let's do it. I always feel like a king when they like put the little napkin on me and everything for me. It's like, Mr. Griffin, we got you. So guys, we're in Animator's Palette tonight, and it looks like they got a little bit of Crush Finding Nemo art all over the wall, so can't wait to see what all that's about. Alrighty guys, so we got the salmon tartare. It looks super delicious. I'm always a big fan of the presentation with Disney. Definitely one of my favorite dishes I've had at Disney. It's so good, it's so creamy. It's salmon tartare. What'd you get?
I got the black truffle pasta, and it smells
Delightful. We got the steaks, everybody. Alyssa's steak is here. Beef tenderloin. Again, Disney, I'm so thankful for the amount of food that you're giving me right now. But as always, if you think the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you Friday.